We're at SummerBio's lab in Menlo Park. We are a COVID testing company. We started the company in May 2020, and we have helped schools, universities, and our communities with COVID testing. In the last year and a half, we've ramped up to be the highest volume lab in California, and we're currently processing 100,000 samples per day with less than 24-hour turnaround time. We actually own and operate a plane that we fly twice a day between Van Nuys Airport and Palo Alto Airport to try to reduce the turnaround time in terms of delivering samples from our Southern California customers up to our lab here in Menlo Park.
Right, that's probably the easiest way to say it.
We started the company really with the vision of helping schools because we saw that as the foundation for communities to get back to normal. Kids had to be back in school for parents to go back to work.
So a lot of conventional labs just took existing equipment, bought a bunch of it, and said, now we can do more. What we wanted to say was, let's rethink the whole process and say, how do you do this at really high volume and high scale? And so that sample tube that we collect in the field goes nearly straight from the field into our automation instead of a bunch of handling manipulation by the lab staff. We're able to just take them in from the field and drop it into the automation. There's definitely a place for antigen testing. We think it's a piece of the solution. The downsides with antigen testing is just not nearly as sensitive as what we're able to do here with PCR testing. And what that ultimately means is we're able to pick up infections in people days before they show up on an antigen test.